Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So this just came out of our restoration shop. This is a 1940s indoor striker game of skill trade stimulator. It was made by the Pacific Amusement Company out of Los Angeles, California. When we got it in, it was unrestored, so we did a full restoration on it. I thought it would look really nice in chrome, so I took everything apart. Everything went to the chrome plating shop and come back in and was reassembled. This is a great little game, as well as it does vend gumballs. The way it works is you put a penny in it, you drop your balls, okay, and you're either trying to get cards, which is ace, king, queen, jack, 10, and try to get a pair, or you would try to add up the numbers. So the way that this works, it states in the award card here, you push this down, up to get a ball, up to get a ball, up to get a ball. Ain't not bad. Come on. So I would have got a pair of kings and a pair of tens, so you could go either way. That's why there's 5 balls, 1 ball for each hand. So completely gone through. Up here is where you load your gumballs. Here is the original nice lid for it, which has the lock on it, and that's where you load your gumballs. It's been completely chrome plated, everything's gone through. As you see, it has a reservoir up here for the gumballs. Once you've played the machine, you push this button here to get your gumball, which you see rolled out. I might add, everything works correctly. I do not have the right size gumballs. It actually takes a gumball 1 size up, but it is complete, does work well. So if you'd like a nice indoor striker, fun game, certainly beautiful to look at, it can be yours if you buy before noon. We will get it wrapped up and shipped out the same day. Very nice 1940s indoor striker by Pacific Amusement Company out of Los Angeles. As you see, we did a nice color scheme. We stuck with just some nice maroon and black all the way over on the lid. Here maroon and black, here maroon and black. Nice original cabinet, everything is cool. We'll open it and give you some stills on the inside. Just a great game, and listen, thank you for watching our videos. Pretty, I like the copper finish inside the glass here.
Well, what I like about it, it's like the original Tetris type of game. You're getting gumballs, so it's a gumball machine, and then it's got beautiful presence because it's such a nice looking machine.
It's beautiful.
Even when it's not working. So
beautiful machine.
It's the triple threat.
There you go.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.